Hello my dear students, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I am Sandhya Srihari with you learning and teaching maths and science. This is the second activity that I am going to cover which is based on, and this session we are going to learn an activity which is called as heating of ferrous sulphate crystals. We all know the chemical formula of ferrous sulphate is FeSO4. So in this activity you might have seen this picture of a girl holding the test tube in your textbook also. So this is important because we have seen this activity in question papers in most of the time. Okay, so I have taken this one. So what is this activity based on? We are taking a test tube, holding it with the help of a tongs and heating the test tube. Before heating, we are just putting some amount of ferrous sulphate crystals in it. The chemical formula of ferrous sulphate is FeSO4. Normally, FeSO4 is greenish in color. So at that point of time, when heat is given to the test tube liberates certain amount of gases also, as well as the color of the substance present in the test tube is going to change. Let us see what is the changes happening here. The reaction involved here is FeSO4, which was solid, when heated gives three different substances or compounds known as Fe2O3, SO2 and SO3. So Fe2O3 is ferric oxide, SO2 is sulfur dioxide, SO3 is sulfur trioxide. Two different gases are coming out and one single compound is getting decomposed to two or three different substances. So this chemical reaction is known as decomposition chemical reaction, and that too, since heat is applied, this will be called as thermal decomposition reaction. As specified in the first activity, this is also the same type of activity but with a different substance. So the color of ferrous sulphate is greenish in color. See, it's light green in color. After we heat it, the color of the substance obtained will be brown in color. This is brown in color. Change in color is most important question always asked. When a reaction is happening, they'll give you this is X, this is Y, identify X and Y, or they might always say this is given, this compound is X and this compound is Y, which is a gas, identify X and Y. These are the type of questions that can arise. So by seeing this is brown, I can identify this is the precipitate that is formed, as well as SO2 and SO3 are the gases liberate. How to detect SO2 and SO3 here? SO2 and SO3 gives a very bad pungent smell. The pungent smell coming out of the test tube makes us sure that the gas coming out is going to be sulfur dioxide or sulfur trioxide. In my previous activity, the gas evolved was NO2. NO2 was liberated, it was brown fumes coming out. So when brown fumes are coming out, it will be NO2. Same way, when SO2 or SO3 is liberated, there will be a very bad smell coming out of the test tube. So at that point of time, I can say it is sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide that is coming out of the reaction. So it's a simple activity, same type of activity, but things you have to remember is the color of the substances before and after the reaction happening. Main intention of us to do the activities is, after you observe what are the changes, what can be the question asked as specified by me. First one, name the type of reaction. Second question will be, what is the change in color of the compound before and after the reaction. Third question can be, how would you identify the gas evolved? So if you have heard this video with paying attention, concentration, you will be able to crack these three questions. Comment below the answers so that let me see how many of you are able to tell me the particular and the right answer for this session. We'll be coming up with more and more activities of this kind and helping you out to crack the case study questions which are of 4 marks covered in the board paper. So I would like you all to comment the 3 questions answer below in the comment section, and don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.